Defender 110 D300 in with us today for our sort of signature BlackVue Dash Camera video surveillance camera upgrade. I'll just give you a quick walk round in terms of how we install these cameras into these vehicles, because a lot of people install these in very different ways and not necessarily the way that we would do here at Defender Retrovit TTW installations. So I'll just give you a quick view. So in terms of the rear camera, we always properly mount this onto here. So as you can see, the camera's there. It's in the clean zone for the wiper, and as you see, it's just nicely sort of fitted in there. We don't install up here and then have seen some horrendous where they've got like then a tail wire which is just long enough to reach over there, or it's stuck onto here. We prefer to do it properly, route it through the original manufacturer's wiring, which is there, which just gives more neater install really, and then it's not in the way when you want to load anything if it was in this area. So that's basically the rear camera. And then the front, we mount the main one, which is just here, and then we get the cables just to disappear up into the binnacle there, so you've hardly got any wiring at all to see it, and it's not obstructing in terms of driving, being it there. And it's obviously a nice central position as well inside the vehicle. Obviously it's wired up properly to utilise parking mode and battery protection. We can also add a battery pack for longer recording mode. This customer's just had it wired in, so it's just running off the vehicle battery. On that, we do other variants where you can have obviously the cloud connectivity as well, so you can have remote logging and remote notifications if anything happens to the vehicle. So there's plenty of options that we can offer you here. So if you're interested in adding some driving video security as well as parking security to your Defender model, then please just give us a call here at TTW Defender Retrofit. I'll be very happy to assist.